Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel Pandey Jyoti, and this is Jyoti. I'm starting this vlog today in the morning because, first of all, it's not very cold in comparison to the other days. So I'm shooting this vlog. I'm with my friend, and I'm going to my coaching. So I will meet you after 1 hour, and I'll continue the vlog from there only. Actually, you need to see this vlog as a whole because it's going to be kind of my daily routine vlog. Here, those who want to see my face, actually I'm full covered. I'm wearing mask as we are taking all the precautions for going coaching and all. So here I am returning back from my coaching, and so yes, जो बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़ है इस मॉर्निंग के बारे में, why I'm feeling so energetic is that this beautiful sunshine. I can say like after 1 week we are seeing this type of sunshine in. So here I am near my house and I'm back now. It's my daily routine to spend some of the time with my beautiful plants. I love to spend time near nature, and that is why I have these beautiful plants in my house. And now it's like more beautiful because of flowers. So now let's move on to the terrace. Here I'm going to take all my equipments, as you know, for recording this tripod. Actually, I'm not very comfortable with this tripod right now because I don't know how to use it, and I'm feeling very much like uneasy to use it. Okay, so let's move on to the terrace so that we can start our study session. Actually, it's not the kind of a routine I have because of Christmas holidays. I am just relaxing and chilling, not doing anything, just passing my time like it's my usual routine. I will just close this door so that no monkeys can enter into into my room. Okay, these are almonds. I'm going to eat it. So here I've started my studies with making chemistry notes. Actually, I don't really like to study chemistry because yes, I don't know why. Even if I know chemistry, I don't have that particular urge to study chemistry. I will study. I know I need to study chemistry. I need to focus more on chemistry, but still I feel very much lazy to start chemistry. I know whenever I will start, I will finish it, or I will understand the particular thing that I am studying, but still it's very hard to start. Here actually I'm making my notes, and for making notes I have to go to different things, my book, notebook, my coaching notes, and notes of previous years. So it's a very mess, and now I'm just looking out the syllabus, and here I'm just revising uh, what I have written in the notebook. And from this short session I've just got the idea how to make notes, and it's very tiring. Believe me, it's very tiring because when you make notes it takes hard work, but during the exam time this hard work really pays off because you don't have to look these much of books. That is why notes making is very important. And I have made one video that why notes are important and how to make it, whether you should depend on coaching notes or self-made notes. Please, if you want to just want to visit that, that is available on the channel. Visit on my channel, or I will provide the link in the description box. You can see from there. So here I'm going to just close it, and I will start with my biotech because I think reading biotech is much more better than chemistry. I only don't know that what and where my notes are. So these are basically my notes, and I am just going through this chapter which is related to immunology. Yes, I was going to read part first, that is was biotechnology, but currently I am reading this chapter immunology. I'm just going through the points and reading it for the first time, so I'm not casually writing anything. I'm just going through the main points, and after that I will make my notes. Here I'm just going through the MCQs to check whether I have gained something in my mind or not. Lymphatic system and lymphoid organs. Actually, immunology also consists of this particular chapter, because this lymphoid organs and this lymphatic system has a main role to play in this particular immune system. So here I'm just writing down and making some flow charts so that it can help me during my exams. After noting these things, I will okay. So here I have made this. Actually, it's not very good, but yeah, it's okay. So here I have got this clip, and this clip is sent by my friend. Actually, we are just learning sericulture in our subject, that is applied in economic geology, and so we got to see the sericulture things like Bombyx mori, and how the cocoon is formed, how this silk is extracted from that particular cocoon. So I hope you have enjoyed this vlog. If yes, then please do like, share and subscribe. Also meet me in my next vlog. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.